Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Google Spreadsheet. Today we will learn how to open Google Spreadsheet. So basically there are three different methods of opening. First, open your Chrome browser and in the search box type sheets.new and press enter. Now you can see an untitled spreadsheet is opened. The second method is open a new tab and click on these dots on the top right corner of your Chrome browser, and from the drop down select Drive. Now click on the new option, and from this drop down click on Google Sheets and a new sheet is open. The another method is open a new tab. Again click on these dots. Now scroll down and from the drop down there is option Sheets. Click on it and here you go. A new sheet is open.